Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Espresso machine. But first, a little joke. Why can you never tell a joke around a glass? Because it would crack up. Okay, so this machine had a leaking steam boiler, and so we replaced that, and now it's not leaking. Let's go ahead and test it. Stop it early there, overflow. Good shot of espresso. If you wanted it to get a little darker, have a little more crema, you could adjust the grind a little finer. It's always important to remember that whenever adjusting the grinder, to have the machine running. Otherwise, it makes the grinder work extra hard, and it can burn out the grinder and or cause the grinder to get stuck. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.